So Ollama provides these models that you can run locally on your system or your server. It has many popular models like Qwen, Devstral, Mistral, and it also provides the open source models by Google and ChatGPT like Gemini 3 Flash, GPT OSS. This GPT OSS is by Google. It also provides DeepSeek. And yeah, again, this is OpenAI's own-weight models. Now let's see how we can install Ollama and run any of these models locally on your system. Now keep in mind that if you have a typical system like mine that is 16 GB i7, you can only run models that are around 8 to 7 billion parameters. Not 8, I mean 3 to 7 billion parameters. Even then your system might struggle. So make sure you run a model that is actually lightweight, and when you deploy your system in a server, you can switch to a larger model. Okay, so in this example, we'll be installing Tiny Llama. This because it is just 1.1 billion parameters and it will install faster than compared to bigger parameter models. But the process is similar. You can run any model with the same process. Okay, so first thing is you open your command prompt and you install Ollama. To install Ollama, just enter this command. I'll have this in the description below. Hit enter and now it will install Ollama in your system. Now this command is for Linux and Mac OS. If you are on Windows, there's a different command, and in Windows you need to open PowerShell, not command prompt, and make sure you run PowerShell as administrator so that you don't have any permission issues. Click on run as administrator and you can close this previous command prompt. This is just for Mac OS and Linux. I'll have this and the Windows command in the description below. You can just copy it from there. Okay, now in your PowerShell, let me just increase the size. Paste this command, IRM, and then the install script URL, and then this pipe symbol, and then IEX. Hit enter, and this will install Ollama on your Windows system. You can see the download progress here, and it takes quite some time. Once the download is complete, it will start installing Ollama. Once the installation is complete, you can just verify the installation by running this command, Ollama --version. Hit enter and you will see Ollama version, that is 0.18.0. Now you can list all the versions of models that are running using Ollama by using this command, Ollama list. And here, as we can see, none of the models are run because we have not run any models, and that's exactly what we will do now. So to run a model, first you need to pull that model from cloud to your local machine. It's similar to pulling from GitHub or any other Git repository. Since we will be pulling this model, just switch to your command line or command prompt, and now you don't need to do this in PowerShell. You can do this in your command prompt too. The command is Ollama pull and then your model name. I'll just copy the model name and paste it here. Hit enter and this model will be pulled. Once the pull is complete, we will see how we can run it. So as you can see, this Tiny Llama is just 637 MB and it should be done in just a couple of minutes. While this is pulling, to pull any other models that have different versions of the model like 7 billion parameters and so on, what you need to do is click on the parameter version that you want to install. Okay, let's say we want Qwen 3.5 with 0.8 billion parameters. Click on this and you have to copy this name, Qwen 3.5 colon 0.8b, not just Qwen 3.5. Okay, similarly, if there are some other models with different parameter versions, just make sure you find out the right name. Okay, let's see. So our model is almost pulled completely. Once the model is pulled, you can just do Ollama run and then your model name, that is Tiny Llama in this case. Hit enter and now your model is run. And it asks you send a message, so you can just type anything. Let's say explain how AI models work. Hit enter and now the model will work. As you can see, it has already responded. Artificial intelligence models are computer programs, and I'm not going to read this. So basically you have a whole model running in your system and you can get answers to questions like this. Now this is not the only way you can work this. Ollama also exposes an API which you can use in your application. So if you are creating an app or Windows, you just run the local model and then you use Ollama's API to send questions and receive answers. Basically, this is how you can run any model locally using Ollama. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.